word transformation rules. And they are going to be very useful because they are going to help us to transform words so that they acquire a different part of speech or another meaning. And in some cases, both things, as you will see. So did you know that you can use hundreds of words that you have never learned, that you have never tried to memorize? That is so much true. So you can create the words you need and you haven't studied. You just have to word affixes, yes, the word transformation affixes. So the objective today is to learn how to use suffixes and prefixes to increase, para aumentar, to increase the number of words we can use. So suffixes are going to help you to transform a word from one part to another, from one part of the speech to another. And the others, the prefixes, are going to help you to change the meaning of a word. So these things will help you to enlarge your vocabulary. How does this work? Okay, let's see the general way this works. So you have a word, any word, well, not any, almost any word, and then you add a suffix, un sufijo. You know suffixes from your literature and your Spanish classes. So you add a suffix, and then you can change the part of the speech. Yes. We have an example here. For instance, you have atmosphere, which is a noun, and you add IC, which is a suffix, un sufijo, and then you get atmospheric, which is the adjective. So you can create from a noun an adjective. And then in a similar way, you have a prefix, un prefijo, su nombre lo indicaba antes, prefijo. You have a prefix and then you add a word or you add it to a word. And what happens? You change the meaning of the word. Like for instance, here you have the verb solve, and then you add this, the prefix this, and you get this solve, which is also a verb, but means something else. Yes, it has a different meaning. So you go from solve to dissolve. So prefixes help you to change the meaning, and suffixes help you to change the part of the speech, to get from a noun an adjective, or to transform a verb into a noun, as we are going to have some different examples. Okay, so in this way, you can create an amazingly large number of words by adding prefixes and suffixes. Just look at the example. You have the verb act, and then you can add prefixes, react, exact, transact, interact, and then you have gotten from one verb 4 more verbs. But you can also add suffixes like actor, action, active, actively, and in this and in this case, you have gotten 4 more words. And they are no longer the same, but you can have adjectives, or you can have adverbs, or you can get some other nouns, or even, some other adjectives. Now, how does this work? How do you do this? Okay, let's start working with suffixes, because some days ago you studied about the parts of speech. So you can remember the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. So you can add suffixes and change a noun into a verb or into an adjective. You can add a suffix and change a verb into an adverb or a noun. That is the way we are going to be working in this moment. So add suffixes. Let's see an example. If you know the verb to drop, gotear, you can create the noun. Look, you just add er, use a dropper, gotero. So you can create from drop, the verb, the noun, dropper. And you can transform a part of the speech, which is a verb in this case, into a noun in this case. Yes, so you transform a part of the speech into another part of the speech. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what is going on with this. Okay, here you have some other examples. So you have the word move, which is a verb, and you can add the suffix ment, and then you get movement, and movement is a noun. You go from a verb to a noun. You have again the verb drop, and well, it can also be used as a drop, like a noun. You add the suffix er, and you get dropper, which is a noun. You go from verb to noun. You also can have energy, and you just miss or you lose the y. Add tick, and you get energetic. And you go from a noun to an adjective. Okay, so please get your list of suffixes ready. You have it in week 1. I think, yeah, in week 1, I gave you a file that you have to download and has to do with word transformation. It is a PDF file. Please get it and have your list of common suffixes. It is more or less in page 17, I think, not quite sure. A list of common suffixes to change the part of a speech of words. If you are ready, we are also going to use our knowledge of Spanish, because of course you can have millions of combinations, but not all of them are possible. And we are going to check it in a moment. So we have to remember what is possible in Spanish, and then that can help you to do the combinations correctly. So if you have the list, which is a lot longer than this one, but it has suffix meaning example, then we can start working together. And I will need some voluntaries here, please, to get an extra score. So we have the base word act, which is a verb, and we can add shun, and then we get reaction, which is a noun. What else can you do with act?
We can add or, and it becomes an adjective.
Excellent.
Actor.
In this case, it is actor, and it is a what? Actor?
An adjective.
An adjective. Not in this case. I know what you're saying. Not in this case, but this is the person that acts, no?
Yeah.
So in this case, it is a noun. Thank you very much. Who else, please? Act plus.
We can add a IVE. So it will say active.
Excellent. And that is?
An adjective, no. Yes, an adjective.
Yes, an adjective, excellent. Again, another one.
We can add actually. And we were actually, and it's an adverb.
Adverb, perfect. And we could even add here, for instance, X, no? Something like this.
Exactly.
Yes. Yes, you can also do that. You can have a prefix and a suffix, no? Yes, very nice. How about form?
We can put TION like formation.
Sorry.
And the next word, yes, formation. And the part of the speech would be like, I don't know, a noun.
A noun, excellent. Another one with form.
We can add ed and get the verb in past tense.
Yes, excellent.
And is formed and a verb.
Yes, and also an adjective. Formado. Yes, both of them. Thank you very much. Another one.
Forma.
Sorry?
Forma.
Like plus T?
AL.
Oh, sorry. And now it is
Adjective.
excellent. And how about element?
Elementary.
Excellent. And now it is
An adjective.
very nice.
Teacher, in the form, also we can add in the prefix informal, informed, information, right?
Yes, yes, of course. So we added formal, but we can also even add ly, no? Formally, and then it becomes an adverb. So you can transform it like that, sorry, like that, adjective, and then you can even add ly and get an adverb, no? Yes, yes, you can do that. And you were also saying like something here, like in?
Yes, informal.
But in that case, you change the meaning. Porque no es lo mismo formal que informal, ¿no? Aquí ya cambiamos el significado y eso lo vamos a ver al ratito, pero sí se puede, claro que sí. Very nice. Okay, any other question? No? Okay, let's continue with the next one. Element again.
It could be elemental. But
Yes, of course. And this is a?
adjective.
Yeah, press.
Present.
Excellent. Oops, sorry. And this is a?
Noun.
Nice. Vapor.
Vapory.
Okay, vapory, like this?
Yes, yes.
Vapory.
It's an adjective.
Adjective. Vaporoso, no? Adjective. We can also have another one like
Vaporization.
yes, vaporization. I don't know if I can do it here. I am not going to write it because I am afraid that we are going to have like a mess here. Oh no, no, okay. Vaporization. By the way, we can also have this. I think that it is not in your list. Creo que este sufijo no se los puse en la lista. Por favor, añádanlo. Eyes, eyes, así como está aquí. Y este es mágico porque si lo ponemos se convierte en verbo. Añádanlo, por favor. Creo que no está en su lista. Vaporize. And then, of course, vaporization. Vaporization, which is a noun again. Very nice. Atmosphere.
Atmospheric. And we get an adjective.
Excellent. And then part.
I am with
IN. Oh, sorry. ING, like this?
no, solamente la I y la N como prefijo.
Parting. No, not prefix, no, not yet. Not yet. We are in suffixes. Apenas andamos en sufijos. Los que se añaden al final. Another one.
Particle.
Could be, yes. Que creo que no lo tienen. Si no lo tienen, añádanlo en la lista, por favor. Yes. And in this case, it is again a noun.
Yes.
But you can also add ly. And in this case, you have partly. Parcialmente. And in this case, it is a what? Partly. Add.
Adverb.
Adverb. El 90% de las veces que veamos la terminación ly va a ser adverbio. I'm sorry. This is my dog greeting my husband. Okay, carbon.
Carbonate.
Sorry, what? Carbon what?
Nate. Carbonate.
Excellent. Which is again?
Noun.
Carbonic also.
Carbonic, yes, of course. Carbonato y el otro sería carbonatado. Carbonic. And this is an adjective. Okay. And finally, orbit.
Orbital.
Dulce, a question?
No. Orbit.
Orbital.
And this is a noun. You could also have orbitation, which is again a noun. Questions?
No, teacher.
Orbital could be also a noun. No, an adjective.
An adjective, yes, depending on its place in a sentence. Yes, yes, because the suffix al is for adjectives. Yeah, it could be a noun and it can also be an adjective. Questions? Nope. Okay, in this case, we continue. So I will upload this presentation and you can of course watch this video, which is useful. Yes, it is useful. You can watch it in sections just to get as much information as possible. Now we are going to continue to prefixes. Yes, prefixes. Now they go before the word and they change the meaning. You have lots of prefixes. I gave you a list and all of them change the meaning. I am also going to give you these lists in this presentation so that you also have them. But most of them you already have them in the list that uploaded in week 1. So here you have an example. In this experiment, one of the elements disappears while another appears. Can you tell me which is which? Yes, so it is not the same. Both of them are verbs, disappear and appear. They are verbs, but they mean something different. By the way, they are opposites. Yes, so the prefix, la partícula que va antes, estas partículas van a ir antes, por eso se llaman prefijos, cambia el significado. Siguen siendo verbos, pero cambia el significado. Okay. So get ready your list of prefixes, please. It is before the list of suffixes. And remember that we are also going to think a little bit in Spanish just to get to be sure that you are getting the correct word. So if you have your list of prefixes, we are going to work together. Okay, we have the base word, which is polarize. What can I add here before the word? Nobody?
Extra polarized.
Extra, yes, which would mean an increase, lo que significaría que vamos a aumentar la polarización, ¿no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, how about shape?
It would be
Shape.
unshaped.
Okay. It could be unshaped, que sería quitarle la forma, ¿no? Shape, forma. Unshape es quitarle la forma. Oops. También podríamos usar algo así como, ¿no? Reshape. Y en ese caso tendríamos volver a darle forma. Scatter. Scatter es dispersar. Nobody?
Rescatter.
Okay, rescatter, volver a dispersar. Any other?
Outscatter.
Outscatter. Allí sería un verbo frasal que sería, lo voy a poner aquí, ahorita lo borro, que sería, es dispersar completamente, ¿no? Dispersar totalmente, sacarlo, pero no lo podríamos poner acá. Este ya es un verbo frasal, que es verbo más preposición. This scattered, pero ¿cómo sería? Más bien sería miss. Por eso hay que remitirnos al español. Miss scatter, o sea, hacerlo mal. Lo dispersé, pero lo dispersé mal. Esta preposición miss significa que estuvo mal hecho, que fue incorrecto. Miss scatter, eso sí podría ser. Chromatic, hay una muy fácil.
Achromatic.
Achromatic, que sería sin color, ¿no? Another one.
Monochromatic.
Sorry, I couldn't hear. Y desde luego poly, ¿no? Polychromatic. Compose.
Discompose.
Yes. Excellent. Symmetry.
Or compose.
Or yeah, or recompose. Yes, of course. Symmetry.
Asymmetry.
Excellent. Feel.
Over.
Sorry. Oh yeah, over. Excelente. Llenar de más, ¿no?
Or unfill.
Unfill. Es no llenar. Gain.
Could be again.
Can you repeat, please?
Again, I mean.
Again. Okay, so in that case, we would get something like this, no? Again.
Yes.
Again, otra vez. No, I'm not sure about this one. No. Porque si le ponemos a, significa que no, ¿no? Entonces, sin ganancia, y nos queda una palabra que significa otra vez. No, yo creo que en este caso no lo podríamos poner porque coincide con una palabra que significa otra cosa. Pero sí podríamos poner, por ejemplo, re. Volver a ganar, ¿no? ¿Alguna otra para gain?
On gain, can it be on gain?
On gain, no ganar. Miren, yo la única vez que recuerdo haber visto esa palabra la vi así. Con este sufijo acá y se refiere a los electrones, por ahí lo van a encontrar después, o no me acuerdo si está en su libro, a los electrones que no se ganaron en una cierta reacción química.
Teacher, with gain you mean like bargain? Like.
Oh, okay, I get it. I get it, yeah. Excellent. Very nice. Solve.
Dissolve.
Dissolve.
In.
On solve or here?
So.
Solve.
In.
In? I am like this?
And.
Within. Yeah. How about hydrate? Now check. Hydrate with I is the verb. Hydrate with I is the verb hidratar. And hydrate with Y, hidrato. So be careful. En este caso es el verbo, hydrate.
Dehydrate.
Excellent. Okay. You get the idea?
Yes.
Nice. So again, I will give you these two, well, this is a video, a very nice video. I think that many questions will be answered there. And this one is a site where you can play and you even have e-cards to practice. And then again, practice. Yes, and well, these are the references.